Welcome back to Insightful Reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most advanced solutions for securing your outdoor spaces, the eLinkSmart Heavy-Duty Fingerprint Padlock. This isn't just any padlock. It's a marvel of modern technology designed to blend security with convenience. At the heart of the eLinkSmart Heavy-Duty Fingerprint Padlock is its robust construction and versatility. It boasts 4 cutting-edge unlocking methods: fingerprint scanning, mobile app control, Apple Watch integration, and a traditional backup key. This ensures you're never locked out, no matter the circumstances. Crafted from stainless steel, alloy steel, and zinc, this padlock is built to withstand the toughest conditions. It's IP67 certified, making it waterproof, dustproof, and rust-resistant. Perfect for any outdoor environment, from rain-soaked gates to sun-exposed sheds. For security buffs, the eLinkSmart Padlock goes above and beyond. With a 3200N pull resistance and a hardened shackle, it thwarts attempts at physical tampering. The advanced keyhole design resists picking, ensuring your belongings remain safe and secure. Powering all this technology is a high-capacity rechargeable lithium battery. It offers an impressive standby time of up to 24 months and can be conveniently recharged via USB-C. You'll get approximately 8,000 unlocks on a single charge, making it incredibly reliable. Using the eLinkSmart Padlock is intuitive. Simply register your fingerprint or manage access through the mobile app. It's quick and seamless, and eliminates the need for carrying keys. Whether you're securing a gate, gym locker, or storage shed, it adapts effortlessly to your needs. eLinkSmart stands by its product with a 6-month free trial and lifetime technical support. Should you encounter any issues, their customer service ensures hassle-free replacements or refunds within the trial period. In conclusion, the eLinkSmart Heavy-Duty Fingerprint Padlock is not just a lock, it's peace of mind. With its blend of security, convenience, and durability, it's undoubtedly one of the best electronic gate locks available today. Whether for personal use or business, investing in this smart padlock is investing in reliable security for years to come. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful reviews on innovative products like the eLinkSmart Heavy-Duty Fingerprint Padlock. Until next time, stay secure.